Point 2. Link Express. The Logistics Chain Basic Training Module 2. Part 1. Shippers and Receivers. A shipper is an entity facility responsible for organizing and transporting goods from one point to another. A receiver is an entity that receives goods in a freight shipment. Part 2. Freight brokers and freight dispatchers. A freight broker is the entity that works with the shipper to move goods through the freight carrier. A freight dispatcher is the entity that works with the freight broker to move goods through the freight carrier. Part 3. Freight carriers. A freight carrier is the entity that moves goods from one point to another through the freight broker, freight dispatcher. Part 4. How the logistics chain comes together. A shipper contracts a freight broker to move goods with a freight carrier. A freight broker works with the freight dispatcher to move goods through a freight carrier. Point 2. Link Express. Drayage Enterprise,